Hello everybody, just gone through some of these taxi questions. Okay, straighten up my paper. So having a look at question 21, that'll be the first one I'll have a look at. So, Max paid $42 for a taxi and it went for 23 minutes. And you've got to determine the hourly rate, which is of course dollars per hour. That's what we're trying to figure out. And it's excluding the call out fee. So the very first thing you'll do will be to subtract the call out fee. 42 take 5 equals 37. The next thing you'll do is you'll do 37 divided by 23, because then that will get you dollars per minute, because that's how many dollars it was, and this is how many minutes it was. Dollars divided by minutes will get you dollars per minute. So 37 divided by 23 gets me this number. But because I want dollars per hour, I then need to multiply it by the amount of minutes that there are in an hour, which is 60. Times 60, and that's the answer. It says rounds to the nearest cent. It's 96.52, which will round up to 96.5217. So that will go to 96.52. Okay, rounds down to 96.52. It's always the same sort of procedure. So, just trying to move this forward a little bit. So it's the same thing that we're going to do for 21B, C, D, and E also. So, $53 and a call out fee is $8. So the first thing we have to do is 53 take 8, because again it's excluding the call out fee. 53 take 8 is 45. And again, you would be doing the dollars, 45, divided by the number of minutes, which in this instance is 30. And then you need to multiply that answer by 60. So this will get you the dollars per minute. 45 divided by 30, I just put in the calculator, 1.5. And if you times that by 60, it gets you 90. This is actually a very easy question, 21B, because 30 minutes is half an hour. Anything you earn in half an hour, to figure out how much you earn in an hour, you just need to double it. Dividing by 30 times by 60 is also doubling it. Okay, 21C, same again. $38.50 for a taxi journey and it lasted 27 minutes. Call out fee is $7. $38.50 minus our $7 will give us $31.50. Can always use a calculator for this if unsure. And then $31.50 divided by 27 minutes to get our hourly rate. This will get us our minute rate. 31.50 divided by 27 will get you this, and then you need to times that answer by 60. So that's how many dollars per minute times by the minutes in an hour. 70. If that was easy enough. Okay, and now the last two. Just getting my device to focus a little bit. Okay. So 21D. Mark paid $45.50. Call out fee is $5. Got to exclude the call out fee. So again, $45.50. Just going to do my working out over here actually. $45.50 take $5 will be $40.50. And then I just need to divide by 72 to get dollars per minute. 45.50 divided by 72. And then I need to, actually did I put in the wrong number? $40.50 divided by 72. And then need to divide that, multiply that. So 40.5 divided by 72, and then afterwards I've got to multiply that answer by 60. Times 60, 33.75. The answer for that one. And then the last one is $23.50 for 19 minutes. And the call-out fee is $6. Again, it's hourly. Again, it's excluding call-out fee. It wants to be rounded to 2 decimal places, which I guess will be to the nearest cent. That's what cents are. Hundredth, which is the second decimal place after the 0. So, first things first, $23.50. Take away our call-out fee of 6 equals $17.50. $17.50 in 19 minutes, as you can tell, $17.50 and 19, they're fairly close. If it was 19 and 19, then it's $1 a minute, $60 an hour. We know that this should be just less than $60 an hour. $17.50 divided by 19. Oops. $17.50 divided by 19. That's our dollars per minute. And then we need to times that by 60 to get dollars per hour for 60 minutes and an hour. 55.26. It's 55.263. 3 is obviously less than 5, so that's when we round down. The answer will be $55.26. Hopefully that was clear enough. Yeah, if you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for your time.